Hey everyone, this is Key, a league assistant, and I'm here to make a quick video for explaining how to set up a scriptable auto splitter for both emulator and PC. You may also know this as the load remover, which is the more popular name for this. Either way, I figured that if we're going to make this accessible in our newest league, this should be something that would benefit from having a quick tutorial video for people who just cannot figure this out on their own somehow. So, things you'll need: got a fresh download of LiveSplit, you can see at the bottom. I already set up my LiveSplit and made sure it opens properly and everything and all that good stuff. And you're also going to need to go to this GitHub link, GitHub. You could just copy it at your own time. This is the releases tab, so you're going to probably find this page. You're going to go here, and you're going to download this KH2 FM.load remover thing. And you're going to see that I stuck it in my LiveSplit folder. The main thing is that you download it and stick this thing somewhere that you're not going to lose it. And it should be in a static place that you're never going to move the folder or anything, do any jank things to it. So if you've done all that, you're probably ready to follow along with this guide, so let's get started. I, I don't know what format your LiveSplit's going to open up in. This is what mine opens up in. But what you're going to do, regardless of how it opens, is go to Edit Layout, get rid of everything that isn't this timer, right? And then you're going to add another timer, and you're going to add the scriptable auto splitter. And you're going to click on scriptable auto splitter, click layout settings, go here, scriptable auto splitter, that tab, browse. You see, this is the thing we stick for in the scriptable auto splitter section. That's all. It looks good. Timer. I prefer making my bottom timer, I believe. I'm blanking actually really hard, but this is the way I prefer it. Game time. My first timer is real time. My second timer is game time. I push OK. I push OK. I do save layout as KH2. Now you'll see that if I go to open layout, I got a KH2 layout, and that's how you basically save this layout properly. And now I'm going to show you how you make a running game. So let me pick up the controller real quick. Okay. I'm using PCSX2EX, so this is not your emulator version. Don't sweat it. It should work just fine with PCSX2 normally. PC, it also works just fine. Ignore that sound, please. Alright, so if you want to check if this is properly working, you can go to Edit Layout, click on this thing, Layout Settings, and it should say Game Version while the game is running. If it says a game version, you should be fine. I believe it says either Epic Games or PC for PC version, and it says Emulator if you're on PCSX2. I have EX, so it says Emulator EX. Whatever it is, if it says a game version while the game is running, you're in good shape. Alright, let me move this here. Let me do that. Alright, so now you can see the timer and the game next to each other. And there you go. Now the timers are running. You'll notice one timer is always going. The other timer stops while the game is loading stuff. So at a black screen, essentially. And you'll notice just in the opening section alone, I've saved about... Load remover has seen about 7 seconds of difference. And it's just going to get larger and larger as the run goes on. So not setting up this load remover is at a massive detriment to yourself. So I'd highly recommend setting it up. Hopefully you can follow this guide effectively, and it'll let you properly set this up and enjoy qualifiers for the league. I'm going to close LiveSplit. I don't want to save those splits. I don't want to save my layout. I'm going to reopen LiveSplit real quick and show you that you can, if you ever want to change layouts, go back to this layout, go back to H2, works just fine. Friendly note is that if you close LiveSplit for whatever reason mid-race, it's not going to restart itself. So just keep that in mind. With that in mind, hope this tutorial was educational and helped you set this up. And if you've got any questions, ask the league organizers or assistants to point you in the right direction. Go to the help channel, especially first and foremost, there's a help channel in the Discord. That's where you got to go. And if you ask a league organizer or assistant, I'm sure they'll be happy to give you like some general info, but I highly recommend going to the help channel first and foremost above all. So that's all. Uh, Good luck on setting this up and hope you all enjoy the league.